Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to use Notion to organize a college student or just someone who wants to stay on top of assignment, exam and personal goals. This tutorial will make your life so much easier. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's talk about how you can create a Notion account. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. Once you come over here, you just need to click here, get started for free or get Notion free. Here, you just need to click over that one, and then if you have an account, then it will redirect you to that place, or if not, then they will ask you to create an account. So once you are inside Notion, you will see your workspace. This is where all your pages will live. So now let's talk about further, that is create your school dashboard. So let's start by making a dashboard for your entire school life. You just need to click a new page. Let's say here you can see we have a couple of theme spaces, or you just need to be click over here, create a new page, just click this one, and once you click over here, name it's something like school dashboard. So I'm going to give a name that is school dashboard here. As you can see, I already did. This page will be your command center for all school tasks, subject and notes. We are going to make it visually appealing and functional. Now let's add a task manager. Inside your school dashboard, you just need to be type that like /table, and here you can see this is the table, and then select table full page. Like you can select table for full page in here. So let's make it as it. So now name the table. This table is called tasks. Now create this columns like task name. Here I'm going to give the name that will be task name, then subject, then due date, then next one is status, then priority, these are the thing, right? So this is where you will keep track of assignment, homework and project. Now next, let's add a weekly schedule. You just need to go back to your dashboard and type /calendar here. Let's search for calendar. So here you can see we have this calendar one. You just need to click this one, and here you can see calendar already been added. You can see it or view it perfectly. So go back to your dashboard, and then I already mentioned, then name it weekly schedule. So here I'll give the name that will be weekly schedule. Here you can add events like class time, study sessions and extracurricular activities to make it more organized. Use color code text to each subject. Like here, if you click over here, you can add that in here. It is an amazing one. So now let's add or create a notes in section. Notion is also amazing for taking and organizing notes. You just need to create a new page inside your dashboard called class notes. Inside, add sub pages or each subject. For example, you can say the math notes, biology notes, then you can say history notes. You can format notes using headlines, bullet points and even embedded videos or PDFs in here. So it is an amazing thing. Now let's talk about to add a study tracker. To keep yourself accountable, let's add a study tracker. You just need to be added /table again, /table in here, and name it study log. You can add date, like here I will make it this. Like here you just need to provide the name that is date. Second one is subject, then hours studied, then focus level, This will help you see how much time you are putting into each subject and identify where you need more focus. Now let's talk about make it motivating. Now let's make your dashboard more inspiring. You can add quote block with your favorite motivational quote at the top. You can also insert a progress bar for complete tasks using Notion's formulas. And if you like aesthetic, use free Notions templates from the template gallery for a polished look. Then you just need to sync across device panel. Download the Notion app on your phone or tablet. That way your dashboard sync automatically and you can change assignment or notes anywhere. So here I hope you understand how easy the process was. You can add cover photo also, you can add comment, you can add icons in that place. It's an amazing things you can do it. Also if you want to create a page inside that one, like this way you can give that name math page, and once you did, then add to scroll dashboard, it will be added in here. Now you can add database forms, template, whatever you want, you are allowed to do it. And also you can see we add couple of options: creator calendar, startup inbox, then we have Kanban board, the writer workspace, then we have landing internship, automate, many more things we are available. Let's say I'm going to click on creator. So if you want to add this one, you just need to click this one, add, and then you can easily add it. So if you want to preview that before add it, you just need to click over here and you will able to see it. Like you can see content creator one, so you already get this one. So I just want to add it in that place, so I will click over here and that one will be, I will add it at private. So now go back to the math page and here I will click on template and then I will choose that one and then I will click on add again, add to private. Like template is being added, so here it already been added. So in this way you will able to add it here. So here you can see this is the content creator one. So in this way you can add any template you want in here to add in Notions. So you just need to understand the Notions. So hope so you understand how easy the process was. In here if you want to add anything, like here I'm going to add one that will be that science, and it already been added. Here you can see it already been added. You can add the property also here. It is an amazing one. Like you can do the progress but not started, and let's say set as default and it will be added. So here you can see how amazing that one. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.